Hello and welcome to Thalian Hall. Thalian Hall has great treasures and wonderful stories, and today we're going to focus on the Dorothy Gillespie project. This is the work we've been doing on this piece of sculpture in the lobby of Thalian Hall, and this all sort of ties in to the 100th anniversary of Dorothy Gillespie's birth. So let's talk about the Dorothy Gillespie project. Dorothy Gillespie was an extraordinarily talented and well-known artist in international circles as a painter and also as a sculptor. She was born in 1920 and she died in 2012. She was also enormously impactful to the women's art movement in the United States and received almost a dozen honorary doctorates and degrees and awards for her work on behalf of women in the art world. We have two pieces of Dorothy's work here. One is behind me, which is a small ribbon, you might call it. And then we have a major piece, which is the Colorfall. And that piece was given to Thalian Hall in honor of the opening of Thalian Hall in 1990. And that space, she took this piece of sculpture, which had been created for Alcan aluminum in Canada for a special exhibition, and she adapted the piece to be site-specific here in the lobby of Thalian Hall. And that was hung in 1994, the reopening of the theater. We are now working on it because we need to adjust it slightly because of a grill that is above it that's part of the HVAC system. So we're using this opportunity to take it down, to clean it very carefully front and back, and to make sure that it's all securely tied together, and then we will rehang it in the same position for people to enjoy.
My name is Cole Marquis. I am the technical director here at Thalian Hall, and right now we are in the process of taking the Colorfalls statue down that is hanging in our main lobby. And it's a giant 40-foot long by probably 8-foot wide statue painted on aluminum by Dorothy Gillespie. And now that we have this downtime, we decided to take it down and polish and restore and clean everything as far as the statue goes. Three separate pieces that come down, and so we're gonna have to make sure that we get everything right and labeled and correctly hung back up. And to take it apart, we have to use this lift here. We've used our genie lift to get up and down, which only goes about 30 feet, so we still have a good 15 feet of statue left that we need to take down, and we're gonna get a bigger lift to do that. Very interesting to see the piece kind of laid out and put together in a way that actually it's not hung. finish cleaning it, finish taking down the rest of it, and then lower it a bit and rehang the whole thing. It's a cool project. It's kind of a once-in-a-lifetime thing to get to be a part of. It's a really cool piece, and we're really lucky to have it. I can't wait till it's done to see how beautiful and shiny and bright it looks after all these years.
One of the things that we like about it is because it's so bright and so colorful and so interesting that it sort of is emblematic of the extraordinary diversity of programming here at Thalian Hall, the kinds of events and the wonderful, exciting performances that take place in this theater. So we think it's very appropriate to be hanging in Thalian Hall, and we all adore it, and it's very much a part of our lives. We see it every day.